Hello. I purchased a robot vacuum cleaner 7 months ago. It broken. One brush keeps turning until the battery runs out. Even if I put it on the charging dock, it will keep turning. I contacted customer support via Amazon. I received a reply and sent him the previous video and they gave me a refund. The product was instructed to discard. The solution was quick. Is it okay? I can fix it if I try to fix it. I bought another one. If this is also broken within a year, repeated refunds and purchases forever. If I fix it here, it will increase more and more. But is it okay? I will throw it out properly.